This 2018 Dutchmen Rubicon 251XLT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman and features sleep 6, oven, skylight, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, awning, stovetop burner, microwave, TV, carbon monoxide detector, water heater. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.